Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to Bright Lab Tutorials. Today, we will learn about simplifying radicals. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification button to keep you updated on my tutorials. Today, we will learn about simplifying radicals. In simplifying radicals, we need to get the largest perfect square factor possible. But sometimes it's difficult to do so, especially when the given number is a large number. I'll teach you a better approach how to do it, and that is by using prime factorization. For our example, let's get the prime factors of 45. Okay, it's divisible by 5 and 9. And we can still get the prime factors of 9, which is 3 and 3. So the factors of 45 will be 3 times 3 times 5. Since we are getting the square root of a number, we need to get a pair of the same number, which is 3 and 3. In this case, 3 and 3. So we can also write this as 3 squared times 5. And since we're extracting the square root of 45, get the square root of 3 squared, that gives us 3. And since 5 cannot be extracted, let's put it under the radical sign. So the answer for square root of 45 is 3 square root of 5. Next, let's get the square root of 500. First, let's get the prime factors of 500. Okay. It's divisible by 5, so the 500 divided by 5 gives us 5 and 100. And this is 10 times 10. And 10 can still be factored to 2 and 5. And also this 2 and 5. And since we're getting the square root of 500, we need to get a pair of the same number. That pair will be 2 and 2. And also 5 and 5. Writing the factors here gives us 2 squared times 5 squared times, don't forget that 5 over there, so we write it here, times 5. Extracting the square root of 2 squared gives us 2 times the square root of 5 squared gives us 5. And since 5 cannot be extracted, it will remain inside the radical sign. So let's multiply 2 and 5 together. That will give us 10 and square root of 5. So the answer for this one is 10 square root of 5. Okay, next, let's get the cube root of 192. First, let's get the factors of 192. Now, since 192 is an even number, can be divisible by 2. So we divide this by 2 will give us 96. And 96 divided by 2 gives us 48. 48 divided by 2 gives us 24. 24 divided by 2 gives us 12. And 12 divided by 2 gives us 6. And 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. Now, we have to make sure that the factors are prime numbers. Now, prime numbers are numbers whose factors are 1 in itself. And since we're getting the cube root of 192, we need to get the 3 of the same number. A group of 3 of the same number. So we have 2. Let's group these 2 together and also this. And don't forget our remaining factor. So getting the factors of 192 gives us 2 cubed times 2 cubed times 3. And since we're extracting the cube root, okay, cube root of 2 cubed is 2. Same with this one, 2. And since 3 cannot be extracted, it will remain inside the radical sign. And then multiplying 2 together gives us 4 cube root of 3. So our answer is 4 cube root of 3. Now, how about the fourth root of 405? So same procedure, we need to get the prime factors of 405. And since this is divisible by 5, so we divide this by 5, that will give us 81. And 81, the factors of 81 are 9 and 9. Factors of 9 are 3 and 3. Same with this. Since we're getting the fourth root of a number, we need to get 4 of the same number, or a group of 4 of the same number, which is this 3. Okay? So the factors of 405 is 3 to the 4th. And don't forget that 5 over there times 5. Now, since we're getting the fourth root, we extract the fourth root of 3 to the 4th, that is 3. And since 5 cannot be extracted, it will remain inside the radical sign. So the answer for this one is 3 fourth root of 5. I hope you find this method helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.